Hello and welcome to Nowhere. My name is Trish and I am the creator behind Nowhere Novelties. With St. Patrick's Day coming up, I wanted to include a few designs on the channel that were loosely St. Patrick's Day inspired. So today we're creating this wine glass tumbler with a gorgeous gold brush stroke and glitter look, a beautiful printed vinyl, and a cute Lucky and Shamrock decal. If you're ready, let's strap in and shoot for the stars. This is a 12-ounce wine tumbler from Maker Flow Crafts. And when I tell you guys, this one really threw me. This is a printed vinyl from Vinyl Cottage. And I tried multiple times to get the vinyl actually onto the cup, and this end result ended up being the best way because of the curvature. It tapers at the top, it's fat at the bottom. So what I did was took a 2-inch strip of the vinyl and then cut that strip into 2-inch sections. So I then laid those 2-inch sections one at a time and overlapped them just slightly. The cup's circumference isn't actually 12 inches. So if this was a skinny straight, I wouldn't have to use the entire strip of the 12-inch long vinyl. But because of the curvature of this particular cup, I have to overlap these so that no stainless steel shines through, and I do use all 6 of those pieces to make sure they all line up properly. And thankfully, once the glitter is on with the brush strokes, you can't tell at all that these are individual pieces laid over top of each other. There are no weird seams. Now I'm going to do the brush stroke effect. I'm using this gold paint. This is just something I had laying around from when I did resin coasters, geode coasters. I used to line the edge of the geo slices with this gold paint. It's really pretty and gives a great finish. But you can use any metallic gold paint you have. You don't necessarily have to buy this brand. I am using a makeup brush and just doing one coat to start to get a base, and then going a little bit heavier with a second coat to cover the stainless steel on the bottom. And then I actually take out a stiff chip brush and kind of dry brush on those paint strokes or those brush strokes. I wanted almost to create a super detailed or intricate transition from the bottom gold portion of the cup into the printed vinyl. Once that's on and dried, I took Golden Shores from Peachy Olive Glitter and some Mod Podge. I did Mod Podge the entire cup because I wanted a soft kind of waterfall effect. With the glitter, I didn't want to risk a harsh line where the glitter stops because there's no Mod Podge. So I have Mod Podged the whole cup and applied the glitter starting at the bottom just to get full coverage, and then softly sprinkled it to create that waterfall effect over where I had done the dry brushing with the chip brush. I didn't want to cover the streaks of the brush stroke, so I had my glitter held up very, very high, and I'm just barely tapping it over right at the seam of the bottom of the vinyl, and just letting it just kind of trickle softly over the, I guess you would call it, the top portion of the brush stroke. And I kind of decided that I wanted to do a little bit of a sprinkle of glitter at the top rim, just to, tie the top and the bottom together. So confession, I actually had a mishap with this cup. right here, you can see a little bit of like glitter missing and some scratches or whatever on the printed vinyl. This cup actually fell off of the turner while it was kind of curing, and I had to kind of patch it almost. And I had to do a little bit of sanding, so I actually sanded into the vinyl. So that's why I added this decal. I do think it's cute and ties the whole cup together. I hope you liked this quick tutorial. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye now.